Okay, so day two, week two, day two, or week two, part two, I guess I should say, of the Damascus and tool steel axe project. I thought I was going to go straight to grinding today, but when I got out here and got to looking at the piece, there's definitely more bend on this side than there is on this side, and I just think it would really help a little bit. I'm not so much worried about how out around this is, although I'm really not happy that the first day I did this, I got this bend perfect. And this time when I'm really ready to do something with it, and hopefully not screw it up, the bend's out of shape. So that's just typical. We're using hammers and anvils and precision's not what we get. So I'm going to bend this, I'm going to heat this up and bend this, at this bend, basically pull this piece down this way a little bit, and then pinch these back together again so that they're straighter to each other, and hopefully not much further apart than this piece needs them to be. And then after I've done that, I'll grind the inside edges of these, although honestly, they don't look so bad. It's hard to see in there, but they don't look so bad. I don't think they're heavily scaled. This didn't seem to scale that bad. I've got to get in there with either a file or just running on the loose section of the belt sander and make sure that that's all clean before I weld this piece in and do the all-important forge weld. There's also a little bit of an offset. This piece, top piece is a little bit that way, bottom piece a little bit this way. So I'll try to fix that at the same time I'm getting this bend in a little bit better. Which is a great thing because it means I get to run the forge, which is nice because it's cold out here today. So we got the axe head welded up, spot welded in a couple places, and I'm sort of happy with where it is. I'm going to try to close these up once we get some flux covering everything a little bit on both sides, and then I've made the decision we're going to try to do this weld in the power hammer. So I'm going to readjust the camera so we're pointed at him. And we're going to go. It went okay, I think. It all depends on these welds. Everything in here felt like it welded pretty good. I'm not sure how well I did at the tip. There's only one way to find out.